YouTube. Today is a good, not really good day, but it's a good day. It's a good day because some came in the mail, and I'm the most excited for this thing, man. The most excited. This is what's gonna bring my car from here to here. And it's right in this box right here. See that? What do you guys think this box could be? It's something for the exterior. It's been on my list for like about 6 months now since I broke my actual one. And yeah, go in the comments below and tell me what do you guys think it is. Stop the video, and yeah, I'll give you a few seconds to think what it could be. Could be a front lip, could be a rear diffuser. It can be maybe some side skirt extensions, I don't know. But pretty much, I think I gave you enough time to guess. Let's open this baby up. This thing, I got my open mouth grill. Finally, after about 6 long months. And there it is, you guys. Like it? It looks dope, man. The mesh is gonna be cool. If you guys have any advice, here is where you put your license plate. But I replaced my crash bar for the Treadstone crash bar I have for the TR8. So I'm just kind of figuring out how I can put my license plate right here, relocation kit or whatever the hell, right there, because I want it there, but I'm not too sure. I might just, I don't know, screw in a screw for the license plate. But I really need a front license plate just so I don't get pulled over and harassed for it. But man, there you guys go. I'm on tomorrow, I'm gonna put the mesh on, and then hopefully this is as easy as 1, 2, 3 to put it on there. I heard it's pretty hard, but we'll get it on there. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and let's start the install. Okay, well, it's the next day, and got the grill, we put the mesh on, and let me show you guys that right now. So here's the grill. Let me kind of put it in the sun so that you guys can see. Here's the grill. I don't know if you can see the mesh. It didn't come with any bolts, so you have to supply your own bolts for the grill. Pretty sure this is the Bison R grill. I just bought it not from their website because I kind of, well, when I went to their website I couldn't find it. And yeah, I got this from Whitezilla. It has a Mazda Speed 3 all in white, trying to get it track ready, I believe. I'm not too sure on that, but I think so. And that's just the back. You can see these are all the screws I put on. And once I turn it, bam, dude. There it is. The grill looks pretty dope. It does have this little plastic piece you can take off for your relocation license plate, but I don't have my support bar anymore. I have the Treadstone support bar, so I don't really know where I'm gonna put my license plate. There is some 2 holes right here, so I'm guessing that's where I can mount my license plate, but I'm not really too sure on that yet. And yeah, so let's pop the hood, start taking off some screws, and take off this front bumper and go from there. And to take off the front bumper, it's pretty easy. You're gonna have 2 10 mil screws right here connecting to the fender, and then you'll have these little plastic clips that you take off. Once you take that off, or for my car, because I don't have the weather strips, then it should be able to just come off like that and just take it off. So mine's a little easier to take off than most speeds because I don't have the underneath weather stripping. So just when you're taking off the front bumper, that's pretty much the second thing you're gonna have to figure out how to take off. And yeah, I just need to take off these plastic pieces right here, and then I can fully take off the bumper. Okay, so you can take off the bumper, you have to take off the OEM grill, which You take off the bumper. This is how it looks. And I already put the open mouth grill on here, which what is cool is that you'll have these tabs right over here, and that's pretty much what you do. You just click on all the tabs, line this 2 pieces up right here, line 2 right here, and that's all you do. You just connect it all through the tabs all around everywhere, and that's pretty much it, man. It was real easy to put on the Bison R grill on here. The hardest part for everyone doing this, it's gonna be taking off that OEM grill. I'm gonna put this back on and hopefully just it's back to normal. There's no sagging, everything runs perfect. So yeah, once I put this on there, you guys are gonna see probably the exterior pretty much done. I don't know what else I can do with it. Okay, I finally got the grill on there, and let me show you how it looks. Thing looks dope. Look at that thing. Dude, that looks sick. I just need to fix the fog wiring. Now let me close the hood too. Ooh, look at that. It's perfect, man. Perfect. I need to just repaint my logo black. It's good, man. That front grill, oh god, that looks awesome. I don't know where I'm gonna put my license plate at. I might just drill it. Just quick little walk around. Dude, that's legit. It's pretty on there, good. This side's a little saggy though. I guess this side's not in right, so I'm gonna try and see if I can go up from here or just get that on, because the other side looks good. This side's a little sagging, so let me see if I can get that little tab right here fixed. Well, there you guys have it, man. The exterior is pretty much complete. I might have a front lip and a splitter on there, maybe. I don't want to spend too much money on a lip if it's gonna just break off and leave stranded and have me pay another $100 bucks or whatever the fuck they cost, you know what I'm saying? But man, it's come a long way. Full bolt on, BNRS4. We got pretty much all my exterior mods done. It's looking good, man. Now I just need to get water out of this one, I think. I think water goes into that when it rains. So I want to do something cool with those, but I'm not sure. I don't know what to do with the headlights just yet. And the wheels are dope. Really want some rotor grids. They're not better for performance. I just like how they look. So I don't know. I like the RPF ones though. RPF ones with the open edge grill looks sick as. It looks sick, man. But other than that, that's the video for today, and I'll see you till next time. Peace.